Por favor, ayúdenme a salir, no puedo quedar el fin de semana.
We could do this without her even talking to her.
Yeah.
So I'll have them run her.
This is all stuff.
On August 16th, 2025, a Spanish-speaking woman was arrested in Parsippany, New Jersey, for shoplifting $53.83, a disorderly person's offense under New Jersey statutes annotated 2C, 2011. This footage raises a critical question: were her constitutional rights protected?
Hi. You guys called?
You need help?
Yeah. You guys called?
I don't know, I have to call you.
Okay. The security office.
Yeah, security.
The main office. Where's the security office?
Straight back.
Straight back.
I will show you.
Okay. No, I think they got it.
I will show you. Come with me.
Yeah. Yes.
Oh, it's got to be back here.
Oh, you know what?
Yeah, the shoplifter. Are they back? Your offices are back here?
Security officer.
All right, great.
Processing with me, I guess. Guess so. It's all right. We'll eat Lenny's arrest.
Any of you speak Spanish?
No.
Poquito.
She only speaks Spanish, so she says. I haven't explained any of the paperwork to her
Is
because
this her license?
apparently she's done this before. It's a thing. She's quite a lot.
¿Tú hablas inglés, Poquito? No. ¿Dónde es tu casa?
A little bit.
Yeah, little you speak. Okay. All right, cool.
¿Ah? Yo, por favor, ayúdenme a salir, no puedo quedar el fin de semana.
We could do this without her even talking to her.
Yeah.
So I'll have them run her.
This is all stuff.
Yes.
Dígame.
P4 headquarters.
Yes, before.
N.J.S.A.
And my lawyer.
Your lawyer. Okay.
I just need the officer's name and badge number. That's recommended.
When we get her back in.
Acá está. My lawyer talks.
I'm not talking to your lawyer right now.
No, dice que no.
What did you need?
A Parsippany.
And badge number. Just
You give me yours? Yeah, it's fine.
¿Qué?
5-1.
520.
Copy for trespass.
¿Me van a procesar here o en la...
Daddy? I'm sorry?
Procesar here?
No, we don't process it in home goods. We process it in our headquarters. Oh, cool. A
We
table.
got our new guy speaks Spanish.
El número del complaint.
We'll figure that out when we...
My lawyer.
She's getting arrested right now. She's not at our headquarters. We haven't processed her yet.
She's gonna be ROR or
I'll talk to this guy.
Like,
We don't know that yet. We'll let her call you when we get back to our headquarters and we know if she's going to be ROR'd or not.
Okay, alright, brother, thank you.
All right.
¿Qué dice?
Que no saben si te van a procesar
Lawyer.
ahora.
That's fine.
¿Y eso qué se refiere?
we'll take that.
La cárcel o la...
What's the total?
153.83.
Okay. All right. Yeah, as long as she doesn't have any active warrants or anything, she'll be ROR'd because it's under 200.
Okay.
All right.
¿Mi licencia?
All right. We have that. All right. You can
¿Qué dice?
I'm not rushing you guys.
¿A la qué dice?
Yeah, stay right there for now.
And I need a case number.
Thank you.
¿Usted cree con los...
Stay inside. Too big.
¿Usted cree con los cargos?
Two Baker, IR is going to be 050210 050210.
Ok, ahí yo te llamo. I need my phone.
You can't have your phone.
Yep, thank you.
Alright, turn around for me.
We'll get it to you. Ma'am, this is gonna be searched. Do you have anything in there you shouldn't have? Drugs, weapons, or anything?
No. My keys and my car.
Okay. Oh, your car's here? Okay. Do you have any stolen merchandise in your vehicle?
What's the address of this home goods?
The Fifth Amendment is triggered the moment a person is placed in custody. Miranda versus Arizona, 1966, requires that rights be advised before any custodial interrogation in a language the suspect understands. The Ninth Circuit confirmed this in United States versus Garibay, 1998. A Miranda waiver is invalid if the suspect does not comprehend the language used. The subject here was held for 15 minutes with no Spanish Miranda advisement. Officers deferred it to a bilingual officer at headquarters, constitutionally insufficient. If any substantive questioning occurred on scene before that advisement was given, the officer asked whether her vehicle contained stolen merchandise mid-custody. Pre-Miranda. Under Rhode Island versus N.J.S.A. 1980. Any question reasonably likely to elicit an incriminating response constitutes interrogation. Any response she gave during that window is subject to suppression. The Fourth Amendment raises a separate issue. Officers sought consent to search the subject's bag, implying reliance on consent, not the arrest exception. Schneckloth versus Bustamonte, 1973, held that consent must be voluntary and knowing. Compliance across a language barrier does not satisfy that standard. Title VI of the Civil Rights Act of 1964 requires agencies receiving federal funding to provide meaningful language access to limited English speakers. No interpreter was called. No language line service was deployed. No protocol was followed. This is not an individual failure, it is a structural one.
Stand by for a second. Stand by. That's alright, I don't need it.
You ever been arrested before? Shoplifting? Okay.
Come back in here. Come here for a second. Just gonna do a quick search of you, okay? Do you have anything on you that's gonna... Do you have anything on you? Anything in your pockets? Nothing? Okay.
Good thing they gave me a whole stack of these today.
Nothing? Okay, I have to check.
What, the store phone number?
Yeah. Natalie, do you know the store phone?
The store?
Yeah, it should be on the phone there. It's not saying on the phone?
Un momento.
The office one?
The store.
The general number.
I got it.
There we go.
Because my connection is not good here. It's still.
It's Parsippany, nothing works here.
Yeah. Nothing works.
It's like 973.
I got it. You're good, I got it.
208. 9208.
I got 9130 on
Oh, there's different lines. I called
So
it
this is the line
9208.
form. This is the case number right here, 2550210. Okay. This is your copy of it. All right. Our copy. Ready to go?
I need
Do we have the receipt?
Oh.
I don't...
Are you able to get an itemized receipt and total all the,
I'm not yet because she took all the price tickets off.
We
so
can come
have
back
that
for
number.
it. I just need
So if you...
an ID on the amount.
I just need an email address. So once I get the email address, you'll have access to the video once I upload it. The receipt, I'll put it on there too, everything.
you can take my email. It's CYI
CYI.
at parpolice.com.
So you're gonna get an invite to their Genetech system. So once you have that invite, you can access all of them.
The amount's definitely
The amount,
under, is
the
definitely under
sign
200.
statements or
There's a
videos.
reason why I'm asking right now. The amount is definitely under 200, right?
That's what the store person calculated.
Okay.
I will re-add it in a few minutes, so just to make sure.
All right.
Should be one.
Sounds good. And we'll bring in a voluntary statement for you before we leave.
Okay.
All right?
Your car, right? I don't have a case.
Yeah, we'll put it in my car.
You're welcome. Do you mind coming out? We're going to give you a voluntary statement for your security officer there, and we'll come back for that.
Excuse us. You want to go this way? Okay, let's go this way. Okay. Let's go this way. Let me go, Frank. She's leading the way. Go this way.
We'll have that 12 under.
We're gonna go to this car right here, okay? We're gonna go around onto this side. Just hold up for a second.
1 single under 10-4 P4.
Just hold up. You're good. Nope.
Headquarters to P4, just be advised. Female has no active ATS and no NCIC.
Thank you. Can you just grab a voluntary statement form for her?
Good? It's good. It's a quick ride. Alright. Do you have one? I have a bunch.
I just put a bunch in here. Here we go.
Where's her car at? Ask her where her car is.
Machina. No. Where's your car at? Machina?
Go. The security officer fill out
Nissan
this portion right here from here to here.
Okay,
Sign there, and I'll come back
where
to pick
did you
that up
park?
when I pick up the receipt.
Other side, by Marshall's? By Marshall's. Nissan Pathfinder. What color?
Gris, gray.
Gray.
And my key.
Okay, yeah. It's just gonna stay here, but it's a Nissan Pathfinder. It's parked over there. It's gray. She didn't give me a great description of where, but.
All right.
You got 2 DLs?
We'll obviously go through this better back there, but yeah, we'll make sure this all matches, and if it's even her.
We'll see if the DL number's the same.
Yeah.
2 big red boys.
2 big red boys. Good.
Can you just print everything out to the back for me and start this?
10-4.
Lenny's not gonna hear the end of this.
Yeah, just double check the credit cards,
He's right
make
there
sure
doing the
they're
lockout.
all her name. All right.
Let me turn off my music. Blasting rap in there. Where is Dumont?
That's Bergen County? I think that's Bergen County.
All set to go?
You want it on your front seat, or you want me to leave it back here?
No, I'll leave it back there. Alright. I'll call
Nice
you.
bag. Pretty cool.
Alright. Coming in the process with
yeah.
me?
Unless, do you even want the new kid to come in and do it because he speaks Spanish? Like, obviously I'll start it, or...
Yeah, go in with him, and then once that new kid gets in there...
Okay.
you
I
can
mean, the
roll
only
off.
thing he needs to do is read her the Miranda. That's
Yeah, it's just,
That's
it's
true.
basic.
I have all her information right here.
That's the beauty, yeah, exactly. So, alright.
Okay, yeah, whatever.
Sounds good.
Sí.
Huh? We're bringing you to Headquarters. Police.
What color did you say her vehicle was?
What color is your car?
Gray.
Gray?
Thank you.
Okay. No. No. Are you going home today? Maybe. I don't know. We just gotta process you. Okay? Paperwork, and then we'll bring you back. All right? 2 vehicles.
2 vehicles. Yeah, 2
I'll be
I'll be transporting this email to headquarters. Starting mileage 33605. 2A will be followed.
1028 New Jersey.
1028 New Jersey.
As long as you don't have any warrants, it's under $200, you'll go home.
Whiskey 82 Michael
Yes. See. Oh shit.
Headquarters before.
Go.
Plate Whiskey 82 Michael X-Ray Victor comes back to 2017. Nissan Pathfinder 4-door silver, registered to a Quan A Cabello.
Dispatch confirmed no active warrants. Under New Jersey procedure, a theft under $200 with no warrant history qualifies for summons and release. The arresting officer receives a grade of B. He recognized the Miranda language, obligation, and arranged for a bilingual officer to administer it at headquarters. However, pre-Miranda field questioning remains a clear constitutional vulnerability. The loss prevention officer receives a grade of B+. The detention was lawful, under the shopkeeper's privilege New Jersey statutes, annotated 2C 29 3.4, and evidence coordination was handled professionally throughout. The subject receives a grade of B-. She remained compliant and requested badge number and case number demonstrating awareness of her rights despite the barrier. However, removing price tags and a prior shoplifting record compound her legal exposure. The department receives a grade of C+. The absence of interpreter services, limited English proficiency protocols, and bilingual deployment procedures creates sustained exposure to suppression motions and Section 1983 claims. The takeaway is clear language access is a constitutional obligation, not a courtesy. A telephone interpreter line eliminates the risk. The cost of not having one is suppressed evidence, dismissed charges, and federal civil rights liability. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like discussed in the comments. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more police interaction and courtroom content.